we only really started 2 years ago because nothing was done.
That nothing was done by the two previous administrations regarding post-Yolanda recovery program.
Ang Tacloban is a plateau.
Salamat sa Diyos, si Duterte unang dumating sa iyo.
Again, I would repeat that there is an imperative need, moral obligation for the Dabaweños to help. To all of my fellow Dabaweños, hear me out. We have to help. There's a human tragedy there. We must go. The mandate, the mission is to care for them and maybe to be with them and to die.
Meanwhile, 205,000 Typhoon Yolanda victims will soon be granted free housing from the government.
Yung housing ninyo, after a few years you have to pay 200,000. Yung Pablo, pati yung Yolanda. Basta ako pa ang presidente, libre na yan. No more.
Nagtataka kami kung ano nangyayari. Akala namin may gera. Ang karami-raming vehicles. Yung basahin ko. Salamat sa Diyos, si Duterte unang dumating sa lupo.
I'm sorry, I said, I do not want to offend anybody. I am not satisfied. I'll be back December. Mike, gusto ko na sa harap nila, gusto ko, by December, gusto ko makalipat na lahat.
Yes, sir.
It's commitment, ha?
Yes, sir.
And ask everybody to cooperate. Kindly cooperate. Do not delay government projects.
I said I was riding a chopper at the time they took. It was really in a mess. But sabi ko, I cried twice. Just navigating among the dead, when I saw that they could alone. Yung iba mga pamilya pa, di mapigilan sarili ko. I cried twice.
Alam mo, naawa ako sa kanila. Even if you wanted to retreat and seek shelter, hindi ko malaman kung iiyak ako. I cannot shout in anger because you cannot be mad at anybody there.
Hindi ko nga alam kung anong gagawin ko kasi marami pala sila. Nakuha sa akong pamilya. Kaya mo, 11 sila.
I told the Dabaweños city residents, we have to help. Maski na paano, kasi kaliit, we have to help.